this is what the vent is doing. This is what the fan is doing. I'm on full power. I'm just having it come out from the front vents. There's barely any flow coming through. You can hear it almost like cycling. It'll do this after it's been running for a while. It doesn't seem to matter. Like, it's going lower, but still no flow really coming out of the vents. A little bit. Changing the vents doesn't seem, changing this setting doesn't seem to change much else. Don't even know if I can hear it switching. Still nothing coming out of here. You can hear the fan is going, but it's not pushing any air out through the vents. And that's the fun with our HVAC in the car.